Today, we are going to learn the alphabet with this alphabet puzzle. Yes, let's start with A. This one here. This is the letter A. A makes the A sound. A, A. Can you say A? A is for apple. Yum! Can you say apple? The next letter we have is B. B makes the B sound. Can you say B? B is for banana. Another delicious fruit. The next letter we have is C. Can you say C? C makes the S sound or the K sound, as in cat. C is for cat. So cute! The next letter we have is D. D makes the D sound. Can you say D? D is for dog. Another cute animal. Can you say dog? The next letter we have is... what is this? E. That's right. E makes the sound. As in egg. E is for egg. Yeah. The next letter we have is F. F makes the f sound. F is for flower. Can you say flower? F. F. And the next letter we have is G. G makes the g sound. G is for giraffe. Yes, so cute. Can you say G? The next letter we have is H. H makes the h sound. H is for hat. Do you ever wear a hat? A hat goes on your head. That's right. Can you say H? H is for hat. Great job! The next letter we have, look at this. It's an I. Yes, I is for iguana. Have you ever seen an iguana? An iguana is a reptile. Can you say I? I makes the I sound. Yes, it does. The next letter we have is J. J makes the J sound, as J is for juice. Yes, so delicious. Nice cold juice. Can you say juice? The next letter we have, what is this? Yeah, it's a K. K makes the k sound. K is for kite. Wow! Have you ever flown a kite before? It's so much fun. Can you say K? K is for kite. The next letter we have is L. L makes the l sound. L is for lemon. Lemons are so sour. Can you say lemon? Lemon. The next letter we have is M. M makes the sound. Can you say M? M is for monkey. Yes, monkey. The next letter we have is N. N makes the sound. Can you say N? N is for nut. Nut. Yes, that's right. Let's see, we have more letters to learn. The next one we have is O. Can you say O? O makes the O sound or oo sound. O is for orange. Can you say orange? O. The next letter we have is P. P makes the p sound. P is for pineapple. Such delicious fresh fruit. Fruit is healthy for you. Can you say P? P. P is for pineapple. The next letter we have is Q. Q makes the qua sound. Q as in queen. Can you say queen? Q, qua. The next letter up is R. R makes the sound. R as in rabbit. Can you say rabbit? R. The letter R. The next letter we have is S. S is fun to say. S makes the sound. Can you go S? S as in snake. S is for snake. S. And the next letter over here is T. T. Can you say T? T is for turtle. So silly. Turtles are so fun. Can you say turtle? Turtle. We have one more row to learn. Here we go. This letter is U. U makes the sound, as in umbrella. Can you say U? Umbrella. The next letter we have is V. V makes the v sound. V as in vacuum. A vacuum is what you clean the house with. Yes. Vacuum. The next letter we have is W. W makes the w sound. W is for water. Can you say water? Water. If you are thirsty, you should have some water. The next letter we have is X. X makes the X sound. As in xylophone. X. The next letter we have is Y. Y makes the y sound. Y is for yay.
Yay!
Yay! We are almost through the alphabet. Yay! Y. Y. Y is for yay. And the last letter of the alphabet is Z. Z is so much fun. Z makes the z sound. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Can you say zebra? Zebra. Great job! You did a fantastic job learning the alphabet today with this alphabet puzzle. I am so proud of you. You did a great job today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.